QuickDraw allows you to easily create and edit rectangular and L-shaped rooms. When starting the command, a special cursor appears, indicating the location of the walls that will be placed. You can either left-click to specify start and endpoint, or use the Tab key to switch between dynamic dimensions. You can change the room height and wall and slab thickness using the command line. You can continue creating more rooms. Note that the cursor will snap to align with existing walls. Editing existing rooms is possible as well. Clicking the blue plus icon will create an exact copy of this floor. After exiting the command, all entities will be classified and spatial locations will be assigned.